Welcome to this essential guide on understanding the difference between gross income and net income. These are two fundamental concepts that every working person needs to know. Gross income represents the total amount of money you earn, while net income is the actual amount that lands in your bank account after all deductions. By the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of how your earnings transform from what you're promised to what you actually take home. Let's start with gross income. Gross income is the total amount of money you earn before anything is taken out. Think of it as the big number you see on your employment contract or job offer letter. This is your salary or wages in their raw form before the government or anyone else takes their share. It's the starting point of your earnings, the full amount your employer agrees to pay you for your work. Gross income isn't just your base salary. It includes several components. First, there's your regular base salary or wages, which is the fixed amount you earn. Then you have bonuses, which are performance-based incentives your employer might give you. Overtime pay is another component. This is the extra compensation you receive for working beyond your regular hours. Finally, there are commissions, which are earnings based on sales or other performance metrics. All of these add up to form your total gross income. Now let's talk about net income. Net income is your take-home pay, the actual money that gets deposited into your bank account. This is what remains after all the deductions and taxes have been subtracted from your gross income. Net income is the amount you can actually spend on your bills, groceries, rent, and savings. It's the reality of your earnings, the money that's truly yours to use. So what gets deducted from your gross income? There are several common deductions. Federal taxes are income taxes withheld by the federal government. State and local taxes are additional tax obligations that vary depending on where you live. Social Security contributions go toward your future retirement benefits, and Medicare tax helps fund healthcare for seniors. These are mandatory deductions that every employer must withhold from your paycheck before paying you. Here's the simple formula that connects everything together. Take your gross income and subtract all your deductions, and you get your net income. It's that straightforward. Gross income minus deductions equals net income. This formula is the foundation of understanding your paycheck. The deductions are everything we just discussed: federal taxes, state and local taxes, Social Security, and Medicare. What's left after subtracting all of these is your net income. Let's look at a practical example to make this concrete. Imagine your gross income is $5,000 per month. After all deductions, which total $1,250, your net income would be $3,750. That means out of the $5,000 you earned, you're actually taking home $3,750. The remaining $1,250 goes toward taxes and other mandatory deductions. This is the reality most workers face. Your take-home is significantly less than your gross earnings. Here's the key takeaway to remember. Gross income is not equal to net income. Gross income is what you earn, the total amount before any deductions. Net income is what you keep, the actual money you receive after all taxes and deductions. Understanding this difference is crucial for budgeting, financial planning, and setting realistic expectations about your earnings. Always plan your expenses based on your net income, not your gross income, to avoid financial surprises.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.